Hi students, this is Varsha ICSE Maths 10th. So 4th lesson linear inequations. So this chapter have only two exercise 4A and 4B. This is your very easiest lesson. So listen till the end of the video. So definitely you will understand the concepts of the lesson. Okay ma. So this is your question number 8. So find the smallest value of x for which for 5 minus 2x is less than 5 and of minus 5 by 3x, where x is an integer. So that is you have to keep, okay ma. So keep in your mind x is from integer. Okay, so take your sum, find the smallest value of x. So you are going to find the value of x. See, what is your question? 5 minus 2x less than 5 and of minus 5 by 3 x. So you have to group first of all x. Okay ma. So can we group? How will you group? So this is minus 5 by 3x. This is minus plus 5. So you are going to change the place. So it jumps from here and this side. So when it is jump from the inequality, okay, so the sign will change. So this is minus 5 by 3. If comes here, that will be plus 5 by 3 x. Okay ma, is less than. See, this is improper fraction, make it as a mixed fraction, make it as an imperfect fraction. So see, 5 and of, so 5 2s are 10 and plus 1. So this is 11 by 2. Okay, so 5 and of changed into 11 by 2. This 5 comes this side like minus 5. So the denominator is 1. Here also the denominator is 1. Okay ma, you have just grouped. Okay ma, so these are like terms, these are like terms. What do you mean by like terms? Here also x, here also x, the power of x is 1, here also comes 1. So these are like terms. So you are going to add. Okay, so here also you have to sum. So what is your answer? See students, take your LCM. 1 here is 3. So the LCM is 3. So you have to make this denominator as equal. So for that, see, multiply by 3 and here also by 3. So when you multiply, you will get, this is minus 6x. Okay ma, this is by 3. This is 5x by 3. You need not multiply by any number because the denominator has already 3. So this is first denominator, you change into 3. So both the denominators are equal. 3, 3. Okay ma. So this is numerator also changed. So minus 6x, this is minus 5x. Less than. Okay, so you are just multiplying by a positive number and addition subtraction is doing, so the inequality will not change. Okay ma. See this step. So what will you do for this step? So for this step, again you have to take LCM. So 1 into 2, that is LCM is 2. So you have to make the denominator, both denominator as 2. So here it is already 2 is there. So you have to change this second fraction into 2. So for that I am going to multiply by 2 and here also 2. Numerator and the denominator. Okay. So this is 11 by 2. C minus 10 by 2. See, we change the denominator into 2, 2. Okay, so here 3, 3. Now you can add or subtract the numerators. See students, what is your answer? 5x minus 6x. So if you subtract, you will get minus 1 by 3x. Okay ma? This is less than 10, 11 minus 1, that is 1 by 2. So our aim is to eliminate all the numbers by the side of x. So here only 3 is there in the denominator. Okay ma. So I have to eliminate this denominator. What will you do? So I am going to multiply by 3. Okay. So this minus should be cleared. So minus 3. Here also minus 3. Okay. So minus 3 is a negative number. when we are multiplying by a negative number, multiply or divide by a negative number, the inequality will change. So that is very important, students. So that is what our concept. Okay ma. So if you know the concept well, you can do the sum very much easy. See, MD means multiplication and division by a negative number, the inequality will change. See, 3 minus plus. So this is x. Inequality, this is less than sign, so greater than sign. Inequality changed. Okay ma. So what is here? This is minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 means, that is minus 3 by 2 means 1.5. So x is greater than minus 1.5. So this is your real number. See, but in the question it is given x is an integer. You have to find the smallest number. So if you draw a number line, you find the answer easily. So this is 1, this is 2, say this is minus 1, okay ma. So this is minus 2. So where will your minus 1.5, minus 1.5 will be here, minus 1.5. But x is greater than minus 1.5. So what is the greater than next number? So here all the largest one, okay ma, greater than minus 1.5. So this is less than. So in the left hand side it will all less numbers. It's a greater numbers because x is less than minus 1, greater than minus 1.5. So the greater than number minus 1 point is minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So all the numbers. So these all the numbers will included in the solution set. Okay ma. So they have asked find the smallest value of x. The smallest value x is greater than 1 is minus 1. So this is our answer, the smallest value of x. Okay, so this is what our answer. I hope you all understand. Okay ma. So let me say again the sum. See, find the smallest value of x for which this inequality where x is an integer. Okay, so first we are grouping. What we are grouping? We are grouping the x terms and the constant terms. So for that I am just moving the x term and the constant term. Okay ma. So this x term jumping here, this constant term jumping the right side. So minus 2 by 1, here 5 by 3x. So both are like terms, here constant terms. So now I am saying can we add, but we cannot add because the denominators are not equal. So to make the denominator equal, I am taking LCM. So 1 and 3, so if I take LCM, 3 is an LCM. So I have to change this 1 into 3. So for that I am multiplying the numerator by 3 and the denominator by 3. Okay. So I will get minus 6x by 3 plus 5x by 3. Okay. So here also I have done the same thing. See 1 and 2. So if you take LCM, LCM is 2. So already here 2 is here. So I am just numerator and the denominator I am multiplying by 2. So denominators are equal. Now I can add or subtract the numerators. Okay ma. So that is the very much important condition. You have to make the denominator equal. Okay. So now you can subtract. See 5x minus 6x, you will get minus 1x by 3. Here this is 1 by 2. So I have to eliminate this term. Minus is there and 3 is in the denominator. So for that I am multiplying by minus 3 and left hand side also, right hand side also minus 3. So I have multiplying by a negative number. So when you multiply and divide by a negative number, the inequality will change definitely. So the inequality, see this is less than and less than. But when you multiply by a negative number, the inequality is changed into greater than sign. So the sign is x is greater than minus 1.5. The number is minus 1. Okay. So I hope you all understand, students. If you like this video, please give a like symbol. Thank you.